How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel, and in this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over what could potentially happen in December 9th. We're going to go over, are we going to be getting a Tesla stock split announcement on that day? If that does not happen, what are other important announcements that could potentially take Tesla stock to the upside a lot and could potentially make the stock explode to the upside? So we're going to go over in detail and talk about a potential massive announcements coming up. And we're also going to go over a Tesla stock price prediction for that specific date. So we're going to cover all this important information in this video coming up. As you can see over here, today we're sitting at $1,084.60. We had a slight sell-off that happened today for Tesla stock, because even though it's not that much, we're only down 0.95%. Compared to the overall stock market, we had some sectors that perform very, very well, especially the airlines, the hotel, the financial stocks, and some of the semiconductor stocks also did pretty well. This is mainly because of what the president said. He actually outlined some steps that he's going to be taking to tackle this new variant. On the steps that he mentioned, he said there's not going to be any kind of lockdowns or anything like that. So that definitely helped, airline stocks and some, hospitality stocks. It helped them to bounce back up pretty good today. So they've been beaten down a lot, especially when the news came out. So instead, also, the other stocks that have been performing very, very well, like Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft, these were the stocks that were very, very strong and defensive. As we talked about them on yesterday's video, they actually sold off just a little bit. So that is exactly what's been going on with the overall stock market and with Tesla stock compared to it. So now let's talk about exactly what to expect for December 9. So we're only 7 days away, a week away from December 9, and a lot of people are speculating that we could potentially get a Tesla stock split announcement on that day. So I made a few videos in the past talking about exactly how people are coming up with December 9. There has been several tweets that Elon Musk tweeted in the past, and a lot of people are speculating, based off of the tweets, they are coming up to this specific number of 12/9, and that could be the date that this announcement is going to be coming up pretty soon. So if this does not happen, we still have other important announcements that can help Tesla stock explode to the upside. So we're going to talk about them in this video. So the first one being that we could potentially get a massive announcement about the Tesla Gigafactory. So as you can see over here, we have the Tesla Gigafactory on track for December opening. So this is a very important Gigafactory that is in Europe, mainly because it's not only going to be producing Tesla Model Y vehicles, it's also going to be producing batteries, which are super important for these vehicles. And not only that, this is a key gigafactory located in Europe that can potentially help Tesla to dominate the European market. As of today, when people are ordering vehicles in Europe, all their vehicles, Tesla vehicles, are getting shipped from Shanghai and other locations. So with this factory being there and opening, this is a massive catalyst for Tesla stock. So this is one of the most important announcements that can definitely help Tesla stock go up a lot. And we're also been getting, certain information about Tesla getting green light from the Gigafactory Berlin. They had some issues in the past with the German government, with the environment, etc. But now they're actually at the final stage. They've been getting green light. So this is pretty good, massive announcement that we're expecting the grand opening of this massive Gigafactory in Europe. Another announcement that could potentially be happening is the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas, right? So recently we had the news that Tesla moved its headquarters from California to Texas. Now its headquarters is in Austin, Texas. So they have a massive Gigafactory that they're building. And the grand opening could potentially be announced on December 9. So they can actually say, okay, we're going to be opening the Tesla Gigafactory by this date. Or they can even say that, okay, we're going to be opening this Gigafactory at that date too. So you never really know. But as of right now, in the past, they're saying that they could potentially be opening in December 31st. But You never know what they could say during that day about this Tesla Gigafactory in Austin. This is another important catalyst that could definitely help Tesla stock, go up on December 9th. So these are the two important catalysts that we need to be watching out for, announcements that we need to be watching out for Tesla stock. So these two gigafactories are definitely a game changer for Tesla. So any of them being opened, the stock is going to go up. Now let's talk about exactly what could potentially happen for Tesla stock as we get closer to December 9th. So before we do that, I would really appreciate it if you should subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button. We have around 94% of people that watch the channel and not subscribed yet, so I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so you can stay up to date on what's going on with Tesla stock. So right now, as I mentioned, we are sitting at $1,084. So there's a lot of uncertainty going on with the stock market. One day we're up, one day we're down. But right now for Tesla stock, we are just in a very tight range. So the high that we made was around $1,250. The lows that was around $1,000. As you can see, the support that we can using. So if we can actually get this kind of excitement, or people especially looking forward to the December 9, we might see some recovery for Tesla stock. So we might actually start to go up a little bit. And the other important thing, of course, we need to keep in mind is that Elon Musk still has not sold the majority of his shares. He still has around like 40% remaining for him to sell. So that is one of the important things we need to watch out for that. But so far, the latest that he sold was around in November 23rd. So as of that day, he has not sold anything. So if he still holds his shares and we get to December 9 and we get this massive announcement, we might potentially see Tesla stock, go up to around $1,200. That is kind of the resistance price point over here that we're looking at. And if things does not go as planned, or if Elon Musk, sells his shares, he starts selling more shares, we might potentially see Tesla stock, go down or just be in this very tight range. So we're sitting above $1,000, which is very, very good. We're holding strong. This is really, really important. We're very, very tight. We're holding strong, even with this new variant coming in and etc. The Tesla stock is performing very, very well compared to other stocks. We have some software companies that are just selling off aggressively, and Tesla and a few other stocks like Apple, they're holding strong very, very well. So you can check out yesterday's video why this is happening, why Tesla stock is the best stock to buy right now. You can definitely do more research, and you can definitely watch that video that talks about exactly why this kind of price action is happening, especially for Tesla stock. So the price prediction for December 9 is that Tesla can potentially hit around $1,200 if we can see the bulls coming in with anticipation of a huge announcement on December 9. And if Elon Musk continues to sell and we don't see any kind of excitement, we might potentially see Tesla stock, try to go down, to curl down over here to around $1,000. But we have very strong support at $1,000. Even in the after hours, we're sitting at $1,074. But we'll see what's going to be happening for tomorrow. The main event, of course, a lot of people are anticipating is a stock split announcement for December 9th. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think we're going to be getting on December 9th? Are we going to get this stock split announcement? Are we going to get the Texas Gigafactory in Berlin? Is it going to be the grand opening? Are we going to get another information about the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas? Let me know in the comment section below, but these are some important announcements that we can be looking forward to for December 9 that could potentially make Tesla stock explode to the upside. So definitely let me know in the comments section below. Of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button if you want to get free stocks. Check out the links in the description box below. But I catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.